वाला सोज वाला फैज वाला होता है जो लब से ज्यादा फैज वाला लव इश्क वाला लव ना 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 इश्क वाला love. So hello guys, welcome to Taylor Make Stories with a brand new episode with me Neeti. और this is my ukulele which I bought with lots of love. I thought I will learn. I just realized I am bad with learning new things. I'm so slow. I'm so bad, to be very honest. I'm trying my hands, but trying and seeing and copying things, tutorials and all that is online, but nahi ho pa raha yaar. But I will still try, guys, and one day I will come up with a song.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
But welcome to इतनी सी बात segment with me नीति, and आज हम इतनी सी बात करने वाले हैं about इश्क वाला So guys, जैसा कि आपने पहचान लिया कि yes, our topic is about love. Actually, it's not about love. It's about relationships. And हम लोग बहुत confused हो जाते हैं कि what's the difference between love and relationship. बहुत लोगों का question होता है प्यार क्या है, प्यार कितनी बार हो सकता है. And there are many questions. So guys, first you can comment down and tell me what is love for you. What does that mean? And I think it's very necessary कि हमें समझे कि प्यार क्या होता है. It's very important for us to know कि what is love, कि प्यार क्या है. हम अक्सर बहुत confused हो जाते हैं. We get very confused about being in love and being in a relationship. I think this happens with all of us. Okay, so there are two differences. One is love and one is relationship. Now there are a lot of people who are in a relationship for the longest time and they're not in love.
Jess, मैं तुझे एक stupid silly romantic लड़की ढूंढ के देती हूँ. Make her right? Yes. और तू मेरे लिए एक tough लड़का ढूंढ.
Exactly ऐसे एक आदमी से मैं कल मिल रहा हूँ.
Shut up, कौन?
Bond. James Bond.
Then there are few people who are in love and they're not together. So ये नहीं होता कि आपको you need to spend your quality time and you have to be with them. You can be in love with anyone you want to. You can be like, I think for me love is if I meet one of you and I know you guys really like me and adore me and I can see that love in your eyes and I know that you really like me and love me, but we're not in a relationship together, right? You still love me. So that's what I'm talking about, that we don't need to be in a relationship to love somebody. It's different. But I'm not a guru over here. I'm not going to give you love ka gyan. I can only help you out with the experiences I have experienced. I can share things with you, and if one of you have gone through the same thing or can connect to me at some point of time or at some level, this is why I'm here. At least you guys can hear me out, and if you relate to me, nothing like it. And if I can help even a single person by giving my experience, I think nothing like it. But here today I'm going to talk about relationships. That's the topic. Relationships. Okay, so आप जब relationship में आते हो, it's very important to know few things. I know you fall in love and you think everything is glittery and you forget love is blind. I've been there, done that. You forget. But I think now that our generation, the way it is going, it's so fast, and now people are like, ऐसे relationships change होते हैं. You break up and you're dating someone else, the other person is dating. It's very rapid. So I think, but before getting into a relationship, I will just advise you with few pointers. So if you keep that in mind and if you go forward, nothing like it. So here we go. First point, choose your partner wisely. You should know how he is, what he likes, because getting into a relationship, even if it's for 10 days, 5 days, 1 month, 2 years, for the entire lifetime, you should love him for who the person is. You should love them for what they do. So, and you should know their personality. ये नहीं कि after being in a relationship, after some 10 days or some 10 months or whatever, you're like, oh, I didn't know this about you. See, firstly, every day you will always get to learn something new about a person. They get to learn something new about us. We get to learn something new about them. So first point will be, please choose your partner wisely. Second point, know your partner's belief in relationship. This means ki if you are getting into a relationship, know that what they want also out of the relationship. Is it just they want to be in it for whatever reasons they want to be in it, or they want to be in it because they want, they see a long run, they want to get married, they want to settle down. So it's very important to know if you're getting into a relationship can be anything. So if you're getting into a relationship, you have to see ki what does the other person want. Ye nahi ki you want to get married and they're just doing something else, then you're expecting too much and nothing is happening. So it's very important to know your partner's view about the things. I think this is for all of us. Don't confuse love with attraction. They're two different things. Getting attracted to someone and being in love with someone. And being in love, when you're in love with someone, you can't express it. But when you're attracted, you think, oh my god, pyar hai. But if you break up after like 10 months, you're like, damn, I was not in love. What was that? Fourth point, know your needs and speak them out clearly. If you think something is going on in your head or mind, please speak it out. No one's going to understand what is going on in your heart, what is going on in your mind. No one's going to read it, and I'll be very honest, कोई नहीं पढ़ने वाला. आज तक मेरे को भी लगता है कि मैं अपने friends के साथ, I'm not told them they will understand. No one understands. You need to speak and tell them कि this is what I need, this is what I feel, whatever. So you need to speak it out clearly. Fifth point, being honest. It's very, very important. It's very healthy for your relationship. If you start lying, one lie, ठीक है, कभी कभार झूठ बोलना to make them happy, it's fine. Like if you buy a gift and you don't want to tell them and you're like where you were, you lie about that, that's different. But sometimes to make them happy, if you keep lying also, they should be happy just like the way you are. You should not be lying so much about a lot of things. And even like if you bumped into someone and something is happening, tell them. I'm sure they'll understand. It's not that you were like, oh, bump into me, come. ऐसा नहीं होता है. So I think honesty is the key for a healthy relationship. So please try and be honest. I know sometimes it gets hard and they don't understand things and all, but जितना ट्रूथ में हर्ट वो हो सकते हैं, उतना झूठ में अगर वो हर्ट होंगे ना, it's just gonna make your relationship worse. Sixth point, respect. Inside the relationship, outside the relationship, everywhere there should be respect. There's no point of showing respect outside when you're out with your friends or family, and when you're going home, you're being a complete different person. It's not right, it's not fine. It's not a good, healthy relationship, and get out of it if you can. Seventh point, view yourself as a team, which means you guys are equal. You both have different personalities, and of course you're going to have opinions that are not going to match, but that's fine. But at the end, if you're in this relationship, it's not about just one person, it's about both of you. So make sure that both of you, your views, everything, your thoughts are shared equally. And if you like doing something, you one day can do what he likes, one day you can do what she likes. So both are happy and it's healthy. Eighth point, know how to manage your differences. Sometimes there are, of course, because even the same personality people, sometimes they have different opinions. And when you're together, of course, there are, so many differences bound to happen, but you're just supposed to let it happen. It's okay, but sort it out. Talk it out. I think it's very important. Differences हर जगह होती है. Mom dad के साथ भी होती है, भाई बहन के साथ भी होती है, हमारे health के साथ भी होती है. But you just need to sit, calm down, and not get so agitated, angry and irritated. Things happen. Some people take time to understand, some people don't. But give your view, give your opinion, and make it healthy. Always remember, okay, अगर आपको इस बात के लिए बात में बुरा लगा, आपको इस बात में okay, you can always be misunderstood. So it's better that you talk it out and you sort your differences out. 9th point, communication. It's very, very important. If you don't like something about your partner, please go and talk it out. It's very important. Don't keep it in your heart. Like the other point I said, कि अगर आप अपने दिल में रखोगे, head में रखोगे, you think they're going to read it and understand कि this is how you're feeling and this is what you're doing. Try to tell them how you're feeling. They're not going to understand. No one's going to understand. They're not mind readers. No one's a heart reader. You have to communicate. You have to tell them, I did not like this. I do not like this. I expect this. I want this. You have to be very clear cut. It's very, very healthy for your relationship. Trust me, half the things will be sorted when you communicate. So for a successful relationship, the key is communication. 10th point, don't judge your partner. If they make a mistake or if they're doing something, be a good listener. Do not judge them. Yes, if they're doing something wrong, you can always tell them this is not right. But if they're doing something and they want to do it, they want to try it out or anything, don't judge them. Don't. It spoils your relationship. It does. Let them do it. It's okay. Just be a good listener. Always remember, be a good listener and then try and do it. Try to talk to them and make them understand in your own way. But pehle suno, otherwise when you stop, beech mein tokna and all, then they will stop coming to you for advice or for anything. Always remember that. 11th point, never go to sleep angry. If you've had a fight, please solve it. Don't sleep angry because then the mood just aggravates and the next day you're carrying it forward. I know some fights are very ugly, some fights can go very bad, but just remember that it's a new day the next day. It's a new start, it's a fresh start, so you guys can make things work and you guys can work this out. So new day should be a new day. Don't carry forward any fights. So remember, don't go to sleep angry, never. Just solve your matters, solve your problems. 12th point, please remember that no one becomes small by apologizing. You can apologize and repair. And कोई छोटा नहीं होता अगर आपको apologize करना होता है. Apologizing is not a bad thing. It's not a demeaning thing. It can make someone smile. It can make someone happy. It can make someone stay. So remember, if you can repair something and if it's by saying sorry, please do that. Sorry से कोई छोटा नहीं होता. Once again, I'm saying. So when you're in a relationship, it's good to be dependent on them, but also don't make yourself so dependent on them that when you're alone, when you have time for yourself, you are always like, yaar main nahi kar paungi, let me call, let me do this, I don't know. Please be independent. It's very important. A little bit of you can be independent, a little bit of you can be dependent. It's very, very important because if you've gone for a holiday and if you don't have them and if they've gone to their hometown or whatever the reason is, if they're not there, then how do you survive? You have to learn to survive. You have to learn to do things without them. You have to learn few things to make yourself happy and to do things. So don't be so dependent. It is okay. You can be dependent on them so much, but a little bit keep it so that not saying anything bad will happen on, but at least you can do things on your own. That's it. 14th point, share responsibilities. It's very, very important. I have a lot of friends. I'm going to share this experience. I have seen them, like, we've gone for trips together and they've been with their boyfriends and I've seen कि वो बोलते हैं अरे मेरे कपड़े आयरन कर लो, अरे वो कर लो, और अगर if she is busy doing something, he won't even want to help this much. It's like तुम खाना बनाओ, you order, you do this, you do that. I won't do anything. I'm the man. I am this. It's very, very important, guys. Yes, you are the man, but even she's the woman. And do not forget that. And everybody is equal. There is no one up and down in a relationship. Okay, there is nothing like that. It's baseless. और ये नहीं है कि लड़कियां सिर्फ किचन में रहने वाली है या खाना बनाने वाली है या कपड़े आयरन करने वाली है, फ्रिज साफ करने वाली है, माइक्रोवेव कुछ. No, it's going to be shared equally. If she is cooking, you better wash the utensils. If she is making the bed, you make sure you're doing something else. I'm just giving examples. So make sure it's equal, because once you start, even when you start कि नहीं यार उसको नहीं करना चाहिए, I don't want him to do. Okay, you've done it once, you've done it twice. Now they're also used to it, and you're only doing it. So it's not good for a long run also. So guys, remember that. 15th point. Please recognize that relationships are not always jolly. Hey, wo, ye, happy and all. Everybody has their ups and downs. Some people show it, some people don't. So even if you think that there are some power couples who are so happy all the time, they have their own struggles, they have their own things, and please stop comparing yourself with anyone. It should not be that case. You should just be happy, and always remember that just because you're in a relationship, it's not only going to be about happiness and parties and fun. You will have a journey which will go like a roller coaster. So just bear with it. It's a different experience altogether. You're going to enjoy it, and you'll find out so many other things about you which you never knew. So I think it's just all about getting to know, getting to learn so many new things. Like the 15th one, I said that don't compare yourself. My 16th point is please stop comparing yourself. They might look very happy, they might look like the ideal couple, they might look like everything. बट उनकी अलग सी जर्नी चल रही है, आपकी अलग सी जर्नी चल रही है. आप तो एक दूसरे को कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. बोथ ऑफ यू आर डिफरेंट पर्सनैलिटीज, बोथ ऑफ देम आर डिफरेंट पर्सनैलिटीज. Like I also do this. I follow few actors who are couples and I'm like, oh my god, the pictures are so cute, they look so in love, they're this, they're that. And then I'm like, yeah, मेरे को ये चाहिए. Because I remember I once messaged, I was like, I also want this, I'm gonna have my own different journey. My moments are gonna be different. Everything is going to be different. It's not going to be the same. If I'm going to sit and copy people and be like, अरे इनके साथ ये हो रहा है, मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं हो रहा? मेरे साथ जो हो रहा है उनके साथ नहीं हो रहा है. So it's always different. So stop comparing your relationship with anyone else. Yours is unique, yours is beautiful, and yours is what you make of it. 17th point, guys. A lot of us have had bad relationships. I've also had bad relationships, to be very honest. And looking back at that, I never stopped ki nahi yaar, nah, I don't want to date anyone. Yes, for a period of time I was like, I don't want to date, and I stopped looking around and I was like, I can't do this and that. But you can't do that to yourself. And do not ever say this to yourself ki maybe I don't deserve to be in a relationship, maybe I don't deserve love in my life. You deserve everything. Everybody deserves everything. Okay, so don't take that against you. A bad relationship doesn't mean that something bad will happen in your future and you carry that forward. There are so many people who have experienced such bad things. They have again tried to make a new life for themselves. That's also been bad, but that doesn't mean they give up. They're still living it, even if they're alone at the end. It's okay. We meet different kind of people. Every relationship is going to be different, but that doesn't mean you carry it forward. You just leave it there. It's happened. It's okay. Just leave it behind. Don't carry it forward. Something new, something magical is always waiting for you. You never know what the future holds for you. The 18th point. Don't take things for granted. I think all of us have been through it. When you're in a relationship, you're so happy, ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai, ye karenge, wo karenge. But sometimes even the other person who's a giver gets tired and says ki I also deserve some kind of love. And it becomes just like, oh, you've taken me for granted and now I'm going to be coming with you, so you don't even ask me my plan. Just giving an example. So these small things start becoming big issues in relationships. So make sure that you do not take the person for granted. Anyway, I always keep saying that life is too short and you never know what can happen any second, any minute. So make the most of it and stop taking things for granted. It's not a nice thing. 19th point. If you see any violence, if you see something that is not good, if you see a red flag, please walk out of the relationship. If it's happened once, it will happen again, no matter how much the person will say. Maybe not in the same way, but other forms. So when you see a red flag, please just walk away. I know it's hard, it's difficult. Maybe some situations are very, very tough, but trust me, you can do this on your own. You can do it. You can walk away. There's no harm, no shame. It's for you who you're doing it. Red flags that you should avoid in a relationship. Point number 1, your partner only comes first. Point number 2, you're too scared to say what you truly want to say. Point number 3, controlling behavior, lack of communication, feeling insecure. Point number 4, they try to drive a wedge between you and your family and your friends. Point number 5, they demand your phone, email, and social media passwords. Point 6, they guilt trip you every chance they get. Point number 7, they refuse to make your relationship public from their side, but they want you to make it public from your side. Point number 8, they have a different idea than you of what it means to be faithful. Point number 9, they start doubting you. They're so secretive about little things. Point number 10, they want to control you. They want to dominate you. You should be under them. They should have the power and you should just be below them, and that's all that they want. 11th point, using personal information about your partner as blackmail. 12th point, physically assaulting your partner. 13th point, verbally threatening your partner. 14th point, they make rules over you. Point number 15, too much sarcasm. 20th, the last point, just be yourself in the relationship. You don't need to fake it to be in a relationship. Be yourself. And if they fall in love for the person you are, you're with the right person. But if they try to change you, yes, scope of improvement is always there, because we as individuals, humans, learn each thing every day. We're learning something new every day, and you know, if somebody can improve us in some way where we're lacking, no problem. But if you're changing the complete personality, making them someone else that you want them to be, you're not in a right relationship. You have to be yourself, and they should love you for what you are. So if someone wants you to change completely for them, you're not for the right person. So with this, I'm ending this segment, Itni Si Baat, and I hope you like it and you could connect to it. And guys, if you see anything, or if you feel things are going wrong, just talk it out. I think the key to a healthy relationship is communication. So do that. And I know I'm not some love guru, इतना ज्ञान दे दिया मैंने relationship के बारे में, but life has taught me a lot. And it's not only that a relationship is between a boyfriend and girlfriend, it can be with friends. I've had so many friends, I've had so many friendship breakups, I've had so many, like I've got hurt so many times, it's not even funny. My heart is broken. I think everybody's heart is always broken. So you always meet all kinds of people, and they don't define you. Just remember that. Even your relationship doesn't define you. You define your own self. And please love yourself. And yes, relationships are important, but you're also equally very important. If you see a red flag, walk away. You are strong. You can do this for yourself. You came on this earth alone. You came here because of your parents. So don't think your life is so small. It is very big, and there are a lot of people who love you. Maybe that person might not be loving you, but there are many more who love you. So always remember that. Relationships are also not everything. So guys, don't forget that. Don't make yourself so like, I know love and all is very important in life. It is indeed. It is. But learn to love yourself also. So I'm ending this segment here. So I hope you like this video. If you do like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And shower your love. And once again, Ishq wala love. Na 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 na. Ishq wala love. By the way, this is C chord. I learned this. Okay, bye guys.